Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 5th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. Let's start with the VIX. So VIX is up a little bit today, up 0.45. That's 2.05%, closed at 22.45. We have been following this very small bullish channel, which is an indication that the VIX is in a small uptrend. It's also in a bigger uptrend right here. So we have two uptrends at the same time. Yesterday, we closed right back on that support. So it was a little bit undecided. Are we going to stay within this bullish channel or not? And basically, what we have today is we have pretty much the same move as yesterday. So we are following the support still. We are right smack on it. We could fall back off of it very soon, but right now we are trending with the bullish trend. So it means that as a whole, stock market should keep trending down. Stochastic over 60 is not yet there. When we get stochastic over 60, then we should be a little bit more scared of what is going to happen with the stock market, because stock market will have a lot more chance to go down. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones right here. So a red candle day closed at minus 1%, but we are still above support. So this is why we do these support line and resistance line, because they are indicating milestone, important milestone. If we only look at the close, we are going to go crazy. Okay, we close up. Oh no, we close down. No, we close up. We close up. We close down. We close up. We close down, even though it's a green day. Oh, we close up, even though it's a red day. What the hell? We close up. We close down. You see how crazy the stock market is when we are looking at the close that closely. But when we pull back away, zoom out a little bit, and we see that, oh, there is a trend here. There's a trend. We don't close below 32,874. We don't. We just don't. And we don't close above, I will say, 33,431. We don't close above that. We don't close above that. We don't need to know why. We don't need to know why. But this is the current state of the market. And when there's a change in the state of the market, we are going to see a significant change here. If we have a green candle here, then it tells us nothing, because this is still part of the noise. Everything that's between support and resistance is just noise. It's noise. We we can act when we are going outside of the noise and we get the signal, a sell signal, a buy signal, if we are talking about this resistance and that support. And if we are talking about this resistance and that support, this buy signal is when we break this, and the sell signal is when we are going to break this. So we are like a tiger watching a prey, and the prey goes this way, that way. It's basically doing nothing. And when it starts to go in one direction, then we know that there is going to be a movement, a significant movement. And at that point, that significant movement should continue. And this is when we can position ourselves to catch that movement. This is what we do right here. Let's look at the S&P 500. Same thing here. Most of the time, it's boring. Nothing new here. This is just a sideways thing. Nothing to see here. We can move along. Nasdaq Composite, pretty much the same thing, getting closer to support right here, but nothing to see here, nothing to act on. But the good thing is that it does not take a long time. We just fire up TradingView every single day. We check where is this new candle compared to the support and resistance that we got. Is this a significant move? No. Then that's it. It took me 15 seconds. It can take you 15 seconds to take a look at this. It takes me a lot longer to talk about it and explain about it. But technical analysis is so efficient in terms of time. It's very efficient. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.